The next feature we will demonstrate is the Auto Room tool. This feature is very self-explanatory, but still has a few rules to follow in order to work properly. The first rule is that this tool, unfortunately, only works with nLight wired systems. And secondly, the tool requires all nLight devices to be wired properly with Cat5 first. So let's demonstrate. I have all of my nLight devices placed and Cat5'd correctly. I'll select the Auto Room tool. I'll select Yes. And there you have it. Rooms automatically drawn for you around all of your nLight daisy chains. A drawback to this tool, though, is that it actually doesn't draw rooms around the background room boundaries. It only draws it around the nLight daisy chains. This means you cannot use this tool if coverage patterns are required for your layout or submittal. If a room shape is too complicated for VC to make, it will just draw a room around the first device in the daisy chain. As shown in our corridor, the room was created around the relay panel only. So now you're probably wondering, okay, but now I have to go back and rename them all. I've got a quick fix for that as well. Bring your attention to the left-hand side of your screen and select the SOO assignment window. This brings up a quick list of each room drawn on each page of your design. You can then select Room 1, which will auto-pan to that room's location, type out the room name as desired, and then hit Enter. This will jump straight to the next room for a quick and easy method for naming. To save on time, I'm only going to name these 5 rooms, and we'll move on with the demonstration. Earlier I stated this tool can't be used with nLight Air. If you recall some of our other features from the previous videos, I actually have a cheat you can use if you need an nLight Air design and want to use this feature. Step 1, create your layout using nLight wired while keeping nLight Air in mind while you design. Next, make sure your devices are wired with Cat5. Then select the Auto Room button. And lastly, use the Swap Products to nLight Air to quickly swap out your design over to a wireless solution. Again, be patient when using this tool. It may take a minute or two in order to complete. And now you have your automatically generated rooms drawn around your nLight Air project. Again, as you can see, since we have a relay panel, the corridor remained as an nLight wired system. Some of our other rooms, however, will probably need to have their sensors replaced as stated in the previous videos, so make sure you're doing a thorough quality check before completing out your layout. So let's review. The Auto Room tool can be used to quickly make rooms around every nLight wired daisy chain on a project. Utilize the SOO assignment window to quickly jump from room to room while naming. If you want to use this feature with an nLight Air system, design your project using nLight wired first. Use the Auto Room tool, and then use the Swap Products to nLight Air tool in order to achieve your automatically roomed nLight Air system. Lastly, this tool is only for quick room creation and should not be used for coverage patterns if they are required for your layout or submittal.